Hi, today we're going to be looking at how to determine if a statement is fact or opinion. A lot of your teachers probably at this school have used NELE, N-E-L-E, to help you determine if things are fact or opinion. I'm going to be adding a P on the end just because I think it's more complete. The first N stands for numbers, like date, time, the amount of something. Those are normally going to indicate a fact. Emotion words, things that indicate, how you feel about something, that's going to be emotion, opinion. Location, where things happen, that's going to indicate fact. Evaluation, how good or bad something is, that'll be opinion. And the P that I've added is anything you could prove, something you could look up in an encyclopedia or Google to learn more about or observe with your own eyes. If a word in NELEP, if you find something that is in emotion or evaluation, even one word that fits into one of these two categories, and the statement is opinion. Okay? Let's see. Looking down here, I just want to give you a little bit of a larger idea of what emotion or evaluation words might look like and how they're different. Emotion is always going to be talking about feelings. So some examples here I have: happy, sad, scary, elated, depressed. Okay? If you have those sort of feelings about something, or you say something like that, that's going to be an emotional sort of opinion. For evaluation, as I said earlier, that's going to be how good or bad, better, worse, most amazing, beautiful, clever, ugly, stupid, smart. Those sort of words are evaluating something. No matter what you're talking about, if you call it smart, immediately what you said is an opinion. Let's see. So we're going to use NELEP, and we're going to go through these statements here. We're going to identify fact and opinion and determine show why we think it is a fact or opinion. Okay, so New York City is the best place to visit. My thought here is that the word best, let me get the whole thing. Way to fail. Okay. The word best, I think it's kind of showing an evaluation word, kind of like good or bad. Okay? Evaluation normally indicates opinion. So, right here, I'm going to say opinion. And my reason is evaluation, best place. Because it's saying it's the best place. That's why it's an opinion. Okay? New York City is a boring place to visit. Boring is also, I think, an opinion word, but this one fits more along the lines of emotion. You see, if you're scared, elated, depressed, these are how you feel about it, and boredom is a way a person feels. So I'm going to say opinion again. This is emotion. And a boring place. Great. New York is a popular place to visit. Okay. A lot of times kids will tell me that when it says popular, that means it's an opinion. However, I think this actually is a fact. I'm thinking that you could prove this. I think you could count the number of people who visit New York each year. I think you could find a percentage of the people each year who visit New York and see how it's higher than some other places. The fact that it's popular, you could prove that just by seeing how many people go to visit. So, provable details. And for this one, we're talking about popular. You can prove that something is popular. Even if not everyone likes it, you can still prove it's popular or not. Okay, Americans throw away about 2 million plastic bottles an hour. That is a lot of plastic bottles. However, I said that and that wasn't in the quote, so I'm thinking that this is going to be fact. My reason is because of these 2 million plastic bottles. Okay? If you see things with numbers or statistics, things like that, it's going to normally indicate fact. So I'm going to put numbers, and I'm going to go ahead and jot down 2 million bottles because it's talking about bottles. That's my proof for why this statement is fact. Okay. We dispose of about 17 million cars per year. Alright, again, this is very similar. It's a fact, and we're talking about numbers. It says 17 million cars. And the 17 million cars is the number for Nellie. It's a number that proves that this is a factual statement. Okay. Alright. We use enough aluminum cans to build 6,000 airplanes every year. Okay, one more time, exactly the same. Numbers, 6,000, and airplanes. Okay, it's 6,000 airplanes are created. Notice, if this said, which is a lot, if it said, which is a lot of planes on the end, this would be evaluation and now it's an opinion. But since it doesn't, it is a factual statement. If you have even one word indicating opinion, then the whole phrase, the whole sentence is an opinion. Okay? Alright. We need some more recycling programs for sure. Alright, well, we don't have numbers this time. There's no emotion. I don't feel any particular way. It's not talking about how someone feels here. Location, it's not saying in New York City they need more. But evaluation, if you're saying that we need more, like we don't have enough now, that is an evaluation. You are looking at what we have and determining that we need more. That makes the statement an opinion of evaluation. Okay. And need some more. That's going to be my clue. These words indicate evaluation, which indicate opinion. Okay. You know, I think we have enough examples at this point. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys do some practice on your own. If you need some more help, please let me know and I'll be happy to go through some more. Thanks a lot.